Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Linux Pro and this is lab 10.1.9 and we are going to view process information. So you are troubleshooting your Linux system and need to know some information about some of the currently running processes. Complete this lab from the terminal. In this lab, your task is to use the ps command with the applicable options to find information about the currently running processes, then answer the question. All right, so that is all we need to do in this lab. So in the absence of any other thing, we'll go ahead and start up lab. All right, so we'll wait for this lab to load. In the meantime, if by the end of this tutorial you find this video to be helpful, you might also want to consider joining my professional membership where you have detailed access and one-on-one video guide on how to solve any of the TestOut lab at all. Also consider liking and subscribing to the channel so that you get access to a wide variety of educational video materials to help you with your educational needs. Alright, so this lab is loaded and we go straight into the terminal. And from the first task, we are going to type in ps space aux space l okay, and then you press enter and it's going to give us a list. And then you go ahead and answer the questions that follows. What is the PID for the held process? So it's going to be 1194. What is the state of the ps space AUS process that is going to be running? What is the percentage of the memory used by the PID 215C? That is going to be 2.3. What is the command invoked PID? So this is going to be Python. So we'll go ahead and score lab. If you find this video to be helpful, also consider sharing this video on other educational platforms so that other students can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will definitely see you in my next video.